Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Heat Tolerance Adaptation in Subnautica 2. Before you begin, make sure you've already built the sonic resonator, as it's required to complete this objective. It's also a good idea to bring a few medkits and other supplies since you'll encounter hostile creatures and spend some time clearing out an infected area. Once you're ready, start from your life pod and head southwest at a heading of roughly 240 degrees. If you've already unlocked the black box wander signal, it can help you locate the area more easily. As you travel, you'll eventually come across this large orange egg-like structure with several man-made objects beneath it. Swim underneath the structure and you'll find a passage blocked by strange organic veins. Equip your sonic resonator and destroy the obstruction to continue. Swim deeper into the area and you'll reach a juvenile angel comb infected with viral bloom. Look for the glowing blue cankers attached to its branches and destroy them using the sonic resonator. Make sure to inspect the entire structure carefully as the infection is spread across multiple sections. If hostile creatures start causing trouble, don't hesitate to use a med kit to stay alive. Once you've completely cured the juvenile angel comb, look in the direction this pincer-like structure is pointing. To its left, you'll find a continuation of the angel comb network. Follow it until you reach the main angel comb. Before clearing the main structure, follow this route extending to the left and destroy the infected cankers growing along it. Once that's done, return to the main angel comb and continue removing any remaining cankers attached to its branches and surrounding structures. After all the infected growths have been destroyed, the angel comb will finally be freed from the viral bloom. Approach the angel comb and interact with it to receive the heat tolerance adaptation. With this adaptation unlocked, you'll be able to safely explore high-temperature areas that were previously too dangerous to enter. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.